Edible oils, liquid gold. Global consumption of vegetable oils in 2023-24 is estimated to be around 222 million metric tons. Based on annual consumption, the daily use of cooking and frying oils worldwide amounts to approximately 608,219 metric tons. Interestingly, India and China are the top cooking and frying oils consumers globally. The global edible oil market was valued at $464.48 billion in 2022, and it is expected to grow at a CAGR of 7.5% from 2023 to 2030. Notably, the country that produces and exports the most edible oil in the world is Indonesia, with its primary oil being palm oil. In 2023, Indonesia's total palm oil exports reached approximately USD 23.97 billion. Following that, soybean oil and sunflower oil are the next most consumed oils globally, with China being the largest consumer of soybean oil and Ukraine leading in sunflower oil production. Here are some types of cooking and frying oils. Coconut oil. Known for its high saturated fat content, solid at room temperature, and distinct flavor. Excellent for cooking and frying. Extra virgin olive oil. Unrefined and rich in vitamins and minerals with a lower smoke point, ideal for dressings and dips. Avocado oil. Abundant in monounsaturated fats, high smoke point, suitable for frying and sautéing. Canola oil. Low in saturated fat and rich in omega-3 fatty acids, versatile for all-purpose cooking. Sunflower oil. High in vitamin E and low in saturated fat, suitable for frying and cooking. Peanut oil. Has a high smoke point and is commonly used for frying and deep frying. Sesame oil. Known for its strong flavor, it is often used in Asian dishes for stir-frying and sauces. The most common cooking oil worldwide is palm oil, which is widely used due to its stability at high temperatures and cost-effectiveness. However, its high saturated fat content is considered detrimental and may increase the risk of heart disease. Saturated oils are solid at room temperature, commonly found in animal products like butter and red meat. Excessive consumption of these oils can raise blood cholesterol levels and contribute to heart issues. And unsaturated oils remain liquid at room temperature and are mostly derived from plant sources, such as olive oil and canola oil. Generally, unsaturated oils are healthier than saturated ones.